going on, yo? Gonna take a look at the Fuji Spraygun. It's made by Fuji, okay? Same gun. If you haven't watched the video, I cleared with it and I loved it. I'm going to, I think this gun is about $300 and some. Don't quote me on that. But I want to try it out for base, see if I like it. And I'm not gonna walk you through every single step of this paint job, but I will show you how the gun sprays and see how it goes. I'm gonna spray about 27 psi. Also, this is a 1.4. I just want to try it out. I'm going to try the other ones on other videos. Even though this is a 1.4, it's very the automation of the gun is really good. It's very fine, which is causing me to slow down a little bit, but it is going on really nice and fine. Look at that. Nice and even. Put 2 coats on that. I'm going to do a control coat now. Put 2 coats on that. Put 2 coats on the fender. 2 coats on here. And seem to have very good coverage. very nice. Look how smooth that is. I mean, it's a 1.4, so it's fairly big, but it's just atomizing it. Very nice. I'm very impressed with this gun, to be honest. For the price, I'm really thinking about what I'm going to say, because I don't want to say something that I'm going to put my foot in my mouth yet about this gun. Very impressed with this gun. You can see fairly clean. I mean, I have some guns that will get covered in overspray really quickly. This one's not too bad. I see a little bit of buildup there, and the two holes there by the nozzle, but nothing major. I'm happy with this. It's crazy. Check for coverage, make sure that we have no issues. I'm shocked of how even the base is laying down. Spraying, this gun sprays really well. This is a little bit of a darker color, so I wanted to try it out. But I'll be trying out the other different tips and caps with lighter silvers, see how it turns out. But man, there's nothing wrong with that. All right, there you have it. She looks nice. Blend looks good. I'm happy. I'm happy, happy, happy. Great job, Fuji. Seriously, that's great. Use the 1.4. More video coming on the 1.3 and the 1.2 setting, see how those spray. But the ease of spraying for this, I don't even want to change it. It's crazy. I mean, for the price, I think they're like $300 something. But I mean, that looks great. For the price, boys and girls, I think I'm not gonna say it is, but I'm going to say that this may very well be the best bang for the buck, especially for those guys that are, you know, just starting out or want a gun that can do it all for very, very, very cheap. This gun really performed really well. But I will continue to use it and see how we update it. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and you already know, my name is Gabriel, and I love you, I care about you, and I hope that you can learn lots from these videos. And I would suggest you go back to earlier videos. There's a lot of good content out there that I have put. So peace out, love ya.